beautiful day. A day where nothing is wrong. And a day where the wind goes through the leaves. Almost nothing could go wrong today. But something has.
We have a situation. It's called dioxide.
I'll be right there. Chem doesn't have to be a mystery. Has the body been touched?
No.
Just as I thought. It's hydrogen cyanide. Came from the exhaust of the car.
But cyanide doesn't come from cars.
That's just dioxide style. Fortunately, dioxide always follows a strict pattern. This one appears to be molecular shapes. And since hydrogen cyanide is a linear shape, the body must be pointing towards our next clue. Now, the detective knew that hydrogen cyanide was a linear shape. He knew that because the carbon was triple bonded with the nitrogen and also bonded with the hydrogen, giving it its linear shape. This is where the body was pointing towards.
A fountain?
Yes, a fountain full of water.
What does water have to do with it?
Well, water has a bent molecular shape, so he must be wanting us to go to where things bend easily. We have to go to the workshop. Dihydrogen monoxide, or as we know it, water, has 6 valence electrons in the center, and it has 2 hydrogens bonded to it. Those hydrogen atoms repel the O atom, which gives it its bent shape. Next must be here. Guess! Guess!
What was that?
That was phosphozine. It was a toxic gas, a trap set to kill us both, which means we're on the right track. The molecular shape of phosphozine is trigonal pyramidal. We need to find some cones! Now the detective, in his panic, didn't remember the exact name of the element. It was phosphine. Phosphine is a trigonal pyramidal shape. He knows this because the element has 3 hydrogens in it, and all 3 of the hydrogen molecules want to be as far away as possible, giving it the pyramidal shape.
These look like cones.
Right, but what do these have to do with anything? I think we have to go back. We have to reevaluate what we just witnessed. Seems like the gas is cleared. And a little bit of phosgene is in the air.
Phosgene?
Yes.
What is it?
It's another toxic gas. Seems like it didn't go off with the other gas. It's a trigonal planar, but it doesn't seem right. There's one thing missing. What if, instead of the cones, The lilacs were representing tetrahedrals. That would be the last one missing. We have to find the tetrahedrals, and it may be somewhere in this house. For trigonal planar, all of the atoms want to go away from each other, but the oxygen is double bonded, so that's what gives it its planar shape.
Why are we even looking for a tetrahedral shape?
Because it's the last shape that dioxide hasn't used, so he must be planning it for his next weapon. The question is, where?
I kind of smell something from over here. What is it?
Methane. Since methane has 4 hydrogens, all those hydrogens want to be as far away as possible, and the tetrahedral shape is the farthest they can be while still being bonded. It's a highly flammable gas. He must be using that to burn the house down. You have to find out where it comes from, and fast.
I know where this fireplace connects to.
Show me.
Come with me. Freeze!
Dioxide. You're coming into the clink.